friends, welcome to Trending Shopping Zone. Today we are going to review about this bottle umbrella. We will see how it works and how it is opened easily, and then you can fold it easily. So you can see there is a bottom and this is the handle. So from here, handle side, you will just rotate it and take out this umbrella like this. As you can see easily, it is very easy. Then after that, you just remove this strip. Then what you have to do is, there is a button, you can see this button clearly. This is the button, so you have to press this button to unfold this umbrella, and after pressing this button you have to just pull it like this, and keep on pulling and keep on pulling. As you can see, keep on pulling till it is locked. Okay, till it is locked. Now you can see it is locked, so it is completely unfolded. As you can see, it is easily visible. Now friends, if you want to fold it again, just what you have to do is, just you can see there is a button. As I have already told you, you have to press this button and just pull it back to the normal position. Pull it back and then press it like this. Okay, after that what you have to do is fold it again. See, you just compress it like this. You just hold this umbrella like this. Now what you have to do is just adjust this spikes of this umbrella properly so that it can easily go into the bottle. I think it is easily visible to you. Now what you have to do is just rotate it and push it like this, like this. So you can see friends how easily it is folded. Now it is done. So anyone can use this umbrella during rainy season or during sunlight. So it is very useful for men, women, everyone. So as you have seen how easily it was unfolded. Now again we folded it. Friends, if you want to buy this umbrella, bottle umbrella, so you have to, what you have to do is, you have to go into the description and you can buy from the link given in the description. Friends, please, it is humble request, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel, and we will be coming up with the next video with the next review. So till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching our video.